Down at the pot and stir fry, I hear me tell you, See, I'm pretty, like him cook and can't eat already, one piece. Just jump on a plane and forward.
Street cooking people, you know the vibes. Real street cooking this. Experience, crazy experience right now. We're there and...
Yeah, man, we're there, man. You know what the thing go?
Sing a bass.
Out and bad, you know. You know that bad slave style, you know where they cook the food, you gotta get the thing from start.
What on the menu today? What on the menu today?
You know what on the menu today? We have some stew pork.
Yeah.
And we have curry goat. You ever tell you? And we have stew vegetable. You ever tell you?
Soup.
Yeah, and we have soup.
Crazy
soup. You ever tell you?
Wow.
Crazy soup and crazy food that we have cooked. And you know what? A matter of fact, you know, I'm going to show you the coconut milk right now in the pot out the road or so.
Right.
Now, watch out, show you. We need my joke. Because I'm not joking too. I hate this, the coconut milk. So we're putting the pot out right to the front. Right to the front we have it. Right out and back. Out. Right out the front just so we not eat. To make sure. A matter of fact, give me a second. I'm going to go for my towel.
So people, these are the vibes. Right now, yeah, we can basically say we're there, right, at Tivoli. Crazy vibes in a coronation market. Look on this, it's a vibe, people. Look on that.
Piece this. He said pretty. Watch him put in the milk in him now. And get him down creamy. Watch how milk run out. Watch how the milk run out. You see it? And a joking thing. Jamaican style. You ever tell you rice and peas?
Yeah,
you ever tell you? Jamaican style. You see it? Yeah. You see it? When you're ready to put in the time on the thing, then get it busy. Push move. Now we're there. Yeah.
So people, when you just see that while ago, crazy cooking I go on here so today. It's a whole vibe. Which part there, basically?
West Kingston, man.
West Kingston.
Downtown with the Darling Street, right at Darling Street at the police station. You know?
Right at Darling Street at the police station. When you hear that people, you can't miss.
Just give them a glimpse of the police station a while, because we're there. Yeah,
oh, that's the police station?
Yeah, police station, right, so. Darling Street. So you know the thing go, right, just so we're there. Right, a matter of fact, you don't hear about Shows Link, right at Shows Link.
Right at
Shows Link.
Whoa.
Everybody hear about Shows Link already, right, so we're there, so you know the thing up again. Shows Link, so you know, all our social crazy thing like one. Hold on.
So people, this is where them actually cook the food. So we have some big pot of coal as blaze up the coal fire right here. So people, this is where the food actually cook and then take to the front, out at the front so we can serve for everybody, enjoy the food. This is going to be a vibe, people. This is going to be an epic vibe, and you know the vibes, yard life there, West Kingston, straight up.
Yeah, man. So I go on fuck, we are sure say this is some pork we are dealing.
Wow.
Cause you know Jamaican.
It's stew.
Yeah, stew, we are stewing the pork. You know Jamaican people like pork. The ginger, the pimento seed and the garlic and the definite and the Maggi spice and them thing there. And get him right. So I said we are trying to set him now. You know what the thing though. But just I get the browning and thing now.
These are the natural vinegar in it.
Yeah, man.
Cool, man. Lime
juice. That's space on this. This is not joking. Make sure you get out a seed because you see it bitter, you know.
Oh.
You see it bitter. So you see it can't cook on it. You see it a lime juice. Yeah. Yeah, man, see this? At brown, I'm going to throw some browning on it. Some browning. Rub it up. I didn't want to put enough pointers yet. So the one here, I the pimento seed. I mean, I beat it up. I don't put the pint live and just crush them, you know. And you see the crush it. When you crush, they get the better spice out of it. Yeah.
Morning, gentlemen. Morning.
There you go.
Crush it. Crush it the pimento seed. See how we deal it? You don't want to beat up too fine. Yeah, and you sprinkle it out because pork, you know, you don't have the crank, you know, the pimento seed that, you know. Whoa. See that one, you know, the garlic, that one, yeah. You understand me? The garlic, you just beat him.
Beat him the same way.
Beat him the same way, mash him out. Oh. Chew him out in the hand. And shed off, chash off of him.
That is
pick off everything. You know the thing go. So, I want my throat there. The water in the pot. Get the thing going.
Okay.
Yeah, all the garlic from pork.
Oh, so this are the chicken foot and the
Coed.
and the coed. Okay. And this over here side.
The same thing.
Okay, nice. Oh, so 2 big pot of soup. What you say? Whoa, people. People, they hear that just now. 2 big pot of soup. I deal with right, that's not a joke thing. This, yo, them pot here, huge. These pots are huge, people. I'm tell you, say huge, meaning huge. It's no joke. And 1 more pot, I go here, so. That is it. Big pot. Yeah, so we have some soup on in it. And chicken foot, I go in that. I think it's the same thing over here, so. Crazy vibes. You can see pumpkin and everything in that already. You don't know the vibes. And more water on top of water. Peas in that. I go in at the pot then. Look at that. Wow.
Yes, alright, sure, I'm see how I stir it up. You know, a whole heap of ginger and garlic and pimento seed in this. And some lime juice kind of heat it. Hash and spicy, you know the way there? Yeah, hash and spicy. Hash. Feel like you want to look more good. Just a little tap more. Just a little tap more.
Trenton, look beautiful already.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, man, stew me and stream down, you know, put him in the pot and put him down in the pot and stir fry him, you know, him tell you, stir fry him till him can pick out every piece. Then you know, say hot water me I use and cook him, you know. Hot water, marinate him down. Yeah.
It's like a whole of pumpkin this. A whole of pumpkin are going in the pot. So what everything right here, sir?
Everything.
Oh, people, look at this. So we have all some fresh fruit right here, so dangerous pot. A super go on so today. Yam there, people. We see carrot, loads of carrot, pumpkin, garlic, scallion, everything nice. People, the market is literally, before we go in at the market, people, look on this. The fire heat right now, we can hardly stand up right as some people because the fire heat and normal. Just look at this crazy vibes. And the market is just across the road. Literally right across the road. So you know, say all of them thing here, everything I'm just showing right there, so it's like I just 1 tree to get them cross in at the spot where the cooking are going. I just natural vibes and sing at the right there, so and everybody are move quick and fast. Cooking are going on the front and cooking are going in at the yard. Is a whole vibe. 2 big pot, 3 big pot at that. So you know the vibes are normal, people. Crazy vibes. You see pumpkin are chew in a pot. It's just a whole vibe. Natural thing, people. So authentic cooking and we're there to experience it. Fire blaze, super cook, curry water cook, everything. So say you know cut the pumpkin them much bigger and how them big.
No.
That because of why.
It's a boil, man.
It's a boil to give the body the body of the soup.
Yeah.
So you know cut them and you need to cut them small.
No.
Basically natural vibes, you gonna hear that.
Yeah, so open up the eyes and I know the badness go. Nah, laugh for the thing grind. Watch and I know Jamaican style.
So now hear that, people, some big loads of pumpkin are cut a drop in the pot. Them look at that. No joke. And the reason behind this is, you know that I gotta give the soup, the body. You understand? So them no need for dice up small. It's just a whole experience vibes, and we're glad we're there to experience it, and we're there with the great people. So make sure if you give this video a thumbs up, people, because I know nothing normal. Nothing to start yet. I'm not going to see the whole journey, because yard life there for sure not the whole journey. Everything they have to eat to the people, and the vibes is right.
Rice and peas. Enough people don't know. You see that sweet pepper here? When you put in the rice and peas, everybody knows sweet pepper is that thing where it tastes fresh.
Yeah.
Or not, so you see, make the rice and peas eat cool and smell from fragrance. All onion, scallion. Yeah, me tell you see, the summer deal in my thing, you see it?
Right,
yeah, man, a hush move, man. Vendetta style. Bad slave out. All of me girls know someone in my company. Yeah. Anytime you ready, girl, just run, come fling the pussy from me. Fuck you from time to time. You little bitch, you little courage. Hush move, Vendetta, anywhere you're there. Superstar, you come like a Michael Jackson himself. When you put the time in the onion bag, like.
Oh, so this are the onion bag.
Yeah, the onion bag.
The garlic. Anyone coming at it.
The garlic.
So when you put the thyme in this, and you put it in the pot.
In the pot.
So the time just scatter.
The time just scatter too much seed in the thing, you see.
And at the same time, still a leg of the whole of the flavour.
Alright. So you know me I talk about.
Make a lot of sense.
Alright. So you know me I talk about. Yeah.
For the soup pot too. Oh, that's some sweet potato. Nice. Just the yam there. What am I? Turnip.
No, dashi.
Oh, dashi. Wow, natural vibes.
With them success, you know, all the failure, you know. That's why I have to on that podcast, you know.
What we're saying about Messi winning the World Cup at 35 is that it's impressive and so impressive that we did more than one and they did at 7. And we can disagree, but what we're really talking about is that legacy.
I put my rice and peas right now.
It's the early stage and the back end stage.
But double up.
You can see it the Jamaican style. See all this red dumpling, you are Jamaican, you're the best. Cross the 4th forum. You know what this? Onion this. Yeah, man. Then we have scallion. Yeah. You know what this? At the time, pitch up in the thing. Yeah, man. Marinate it down. Yeah, man. And let it go make it cook down. Yeah, man. So the thing goes. Yeah, man. So I deal with it, man. I said, you don't need to come down gravy and protection. You know what I want. Right, I don't feel like one dash to come on milk in him and get it loaded. Yeah, man. So that one, you know. That one, the pork pot. Yeah. Look on the aisle, add some more. Yeah. Bossy, manners and pork this not coming. Right now, the pork this not coming. I'm putting on the pot, I'm not laughing. The pork this. Or the pot is going on. Well at. So we are doing this Jamaican style. So we're not laugh out and bad, you know we are doing. Watch the big spoon, you know. Keep stirring up and mixing up. Yeah, man, get him on free. Laugh. Yeah. So I'm going to tell the people, Jamaican style, stir fry. Stir fry, we have stir fry. You know what that means? Sweet and spicy. Across the 4th forum, across the diaspora. So watch them thing here, Jamaican style. Yeah. So when you are cooking, you have 2 talk about the pot, but you walk one and you make a 1 talk. So we are dealing with this pretty, like him cook already, black people. Alright. White and black, China and India, that's how we deal with the yard. Yeah, man, just mix it up around the scene. See him stay now? Alright. I just low him now, see him stay now, pretty. Alright. See him pretty, like him cook and can't eat already, 1 piece. Just jump on a plane and forward. I jump on the train. Watch out now. Sugar on the cover pan, out and bad. See the pot cover here? Pan him, out and bad. Real, the thing. Yeah man, hush move. Hush move.
Breadfruit live and direct. This is going to soup pot, mommy.
Yeah.
Natural vibes. Oh. Big pot over here, so it's soup people. What a vibe. The fire eating a normal. Look at that. This fire eating a normal. Pumpkin, more pumpkin, loads of pumpkin. Yam, breadfruit, scallion, everything. Have more yam over here, so. Crazy vibes. What is nice about it is sweet potato. Cocoa. Yam. Wow. Dashy in all vibes, people. Crazy. Wait, what is?
Yeah man, you see the curry goat this, you know.
Wow.
The curry goat in the bag, you say
this done a marinate already, man.
You say stay.
Oh.
Curry goat on the bag, we don't have to deal with 10 pound or 20 pound, you know.
Oh.
Just know one 4, 5 pound, 3 pound, and you know, so we send it done.
Whoa.
It's shot.
Whoa.
It's shot.
Whoa.
That's what I tell you, Jamaica in the yard. You got the best. Yeah man, same for the best, you get a yard. Hold on, you don't want to put it in a pot here. I want to take up one and crush it like. Yeah. Crush it and go put it on the right pot. Crush it and put it on the right pot. Come out the road, you have go. Out the road, you have go back.
Out there.
Out there. So we are dealing because we're not waiting a long time, you know. For the pot to go. No man, no.
Whoa. High vibes, you know? Yeah, man. High vibes, man. Big bag of cola right here so people is a whole vibe. Can't run out of fire no time. People is a whole vibe right now. We're there in our era. Right now this spot is a backbone. The whole of this era, the whole coronation, the whole vibes, crazy vibes. This era is a backbone to Jamaica, and what they are say some crazy cooking, and it's a whole experience, and the boss they are doing thing. Pat the on the front, pat the run on the back, and not normal vibes.
Oh, the fire too high for me.
I said the fire too high here.
Right now. Alright.
Pork vibes, curry goat vibes, everything just nice, people.
Yeah, man. These are your problem to push out. Them stay. We put him on the fridge and him freeze, you know?
Yeah, man.
It's so out, man.
Fire over this are going terrible, people, in no time. Just look at that. Just look on the heat. Just look on the heat where I come off of this pot, people. Just look on the heat. In no time. The fire under that no normal. The fire under that no normal. Food is good. Life is good, man. Food vibes. Yard life good. Make sure to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. So one of the boss chef them are there to do him thing. Peel up some. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
it's a whole vibe. Natural.
Go and make it ready because it's a bubble, you know.
Straight. So all of them are going at the pot.
Yes, man.
Everything we are bubble up are going at pot, people, and the whole vibe. Whole heap of carrot to the pot, people. Breadfruit over here to the pot. Pumpkins to the pot. Natural. Authentic Jamaican cooking. Chicken foot over here, so. Wow. So you know, so when they wash up and go in a pot and pot start. Whoa, me never gonna say pot start because pot start already, I understand. So I just wait for go in right now. bucket them look pretty with all of them carrot and everything. Colorful. It's a whole beautiful vibes, people.
Some people, rice where they need to go at this now, you know, looking at this now people, you know, Jamaican style, so it's pretty. Look at me now. Eh? Let's go on and give it some more time. I can simmer this down.
Straight.
Marinate it down.
Marinate it down.
Oh, damn bad. Bad. It look like peas can come out of the pot already and use it.
Pork can. The pork can even go on 10 minutes. Look at this people. Whoa.
See it black people.
Whoa.
See it pretty. Oh, it's very good. Pretty good.
You know, yeah man, the cooking not slow down no time at all. Whoa.
Remember that. For that, and you'll be connected. Get your daily ready information.
Slowly we see all where did they are grown yourself, which is the yam, the breadfruit, the pumpkin, the carrot, everything, the dashing. Slowly we see everything peel up, go in a bucket, dice up, small for go in a bucket, for go in the pot. Whoa, what an experience, people, what an experience. And remember to drop a subscribe, remember to give video a thumbs up, guys. I'm so happy to be sharing this experience with all of you. It's just a whole vibe, people. Everything, breadfruit, you see everything I take time get cut up, I dice up, yam everything right in the pot them I go. And the pot them they right over here, so bubble them not they far. No time at all them not they far, them they right here, so 3 big pot they right here, so I bubble up. Yeah man, and pot outside a bubble up too. And great soup boss they are dealing with them thing. What them there? Cocoa.
Oh, that's it.
Alright, that's she, man. Beautiful pumpkin right there, so people look at that. Church over here, so. Wow, bucket, loads of pumpkin, bucket, loads of yam and day things, skelly and thyme, everything there right there, so church of everything. That's she, vibes.
Tonight, making bread.
Naturally. Breadfruit right here, so dice up people, everything in the bucket here, so yam everything. Beautiful vibes. Soon everything are going to pot, we see. Water, I wash up right now, water, I flow upon all of them pumpkin there and crazy. Look at this now, people, right in the pot. Watch the experience.
Sorry.
Yeah man, be a thing man. Oh, breadfruit, carrot, pumpkin, right in the pot. Just look at that.
You see? When I say one, you know, I want water. Boil, you see? Yeah. So one. Brother and sister, you see it? Come you can take out gravy out of it and put our rice and peas. Yeah, you see it? You know, the next thing I'm going to bring come country right now is good over the coconut milk.
Coconut milk?
Yeah, coconut milk on the whole tonight. Yeah.
That's all.
That's all again, let's taste it. I tell you something, let's taste it. Taste the freshness.
Yo, me a taste that coconut thing there, no brother.
I tell you that.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, I tell you the sweet and fresh.
People.
Fresh.
Whoa.
Fresh.
Experience. Vibes.
But I'm cargo this. See, I tell you, marinate it down in a little bit of water, people, you see it? I don't know, but body is done. Marinate it down in a little bit of water, you see it? The gravy look like you can eat already when I put in the instrument there when I eat. You see it? That's how you do it.
No, this Kelly and none of them things
Them
are
things are going right here. You see it, people, the flavor, you see it? Just a little bit of water and marinate them, you take time and cook. Sweet and spicy and nice. You ask for more, I want more.
Want more.
Done, you ask for more, I want more. I tell you that. You see the gravy look? Yeah, man. Yeah, I tell you that. Love it, man, a low fire, no high fire for curry bone. Love it, make him steam. Pork, bad people. So the pork. See him look? Bring a plate, come. Anywhere they jump on a plane. Anywhere they jump on a plane, come piece of pork. You say, look, it doesn't just start yet. Not even go and feed yet. Yeah. This is the man of the moment, you know. This is the man of the moment, people. You see him look. Anywhere, you see it look, anywhere, if I don't want this, never send me a visa, anywhere in there. Anywhere in there, just send a visa for my thing. And send, come and show you what deal. You say red, you say red. I heard a load of candies, Jamaica. Anywhere I run, the boy can't put them kind of Christ and pizza, red and pretty stuff. I heard a load, bush move style. Yeah. See what's going right now, salt.
Yeah. Him go
Saying that about food.
No, I'm not breakfast. You got to sleep last night and late. Cause, see this? A little coconut milk I try night. Little coconut milk.
Straight.
Yeah.
In the pork.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Waking up, thanking God. Every day is feeling just like Sunday.
Yeah, man. Half is sweet, you know. Half is sweet, I'm done it.
Yeah, how often are they do that? Every day?
You know, from Christmas, from Christmas, me I DVDs. I can put on the pot, where the pot can't run to the people and come to the food. I take it for them. Sometimes I can't food, but look like I'm not try. You see? Yeah.
So just recently you start this?
Yeah, recently.
Whoa.
Recently.
When is that going, sir?
Yeah, man. Recently I start, man. Yeah, man. You see me I drink turbo, you know, because I don't know inside of me, I move come like a turbo, so you know I just drink energy. But now use a blunger rice, you know what? A1 this.
A1.
A1 this. That me I tell you, A1. First let us start the alphabet. A. A1 rice. So you know what quality thing we are dealing with. Yeah. Living life and color. Yeah. Straight 10 pounds, you know, I wash him now and chew him in the pot, you know, and simmer him down. Right, shelly and nice. Fling all, and when I fling the grain them. Go on. One time again. This is the king, you know.
Get enough vibes and much more entertainment
Come on, look
with
closer.
your weekend star. Find
This
your
is the
weekend
king,
pick
pretty.
of all the hot spots in the Entertainment Diary. Enough entertainment news and happenings. Listen every Friday, Saturday and Sunday from your new weekend star. The Weekend Star, the people's entertainment hero.
Yeah. I hate this.
ready and it already.
When you see the custard point already, when you see the custard, put the some of the custard in the spoon. You see the custard, but here people are talking about rice and peas with custard. See it here. I eat this. Yeah. Yeah, man. I thought about politics up in our one. Yeah, man, so it's here, man. See custard on the top, custard, cream, all the thing, look. Rice and peas, shelly with the custard on the top. Yeah.
Custard,
Yeah.
bad slave.
Custard.
Tell them say they are wrong with the shipping.
The custard, you have enough boil this and the boy can boil it with custard. Take times out. Yeah, 15 minutes to work, 20 minutes, got a 5 minutes there. I need it to marinate the thing. Push move. Vendetta, anywhere you're there. Bad DJ, don't know. Anywhere you're there, vendetta. Push move. Anywhere you're there, the side, push move.
There you go.
Push move.
So look at that just now. Look at that just now. One bucket gone in and one of the big pot them already. We have 2 more pots to go. We have pot over there so and pot over there so. The vibes na normal. Oh, just look at that and pot outside. You don't know pork outside. Curry goat outside. 3 big pot of soup. In here so go on. Babble down.
You know Jamaican people love fried chicken.
Straight.
Anywhere you go in the world, people, if you want fried chicken nice, people never stop. You just want to eat enough fried, season it and make it fried pretty and crunchy. You look up crunchy like a custard roll and sweet and spicy.
Straight.
You have energy, it's patient, push move. Vendetta, anywhere you're there. Push move.
Push move.
Done.
Straight.
Yeah, I'm done vendetta anywhere you're there. Some boy can't style a career. Them child time and can't do it. Push move.
Food people, vibes. West Kingston. West Kingston, let me remind you of this address, location. Again, people, the police station is right there across the road, right across from Tivoli. It's a vibe right at the front, and that's how the big cooking are going right beside the police station, and you can't miss. You literally can't miss. And look at this. Wow. Super them a bubble people. Well bubble down. Flour over your son need down and thing. Look at that. Spinners them there?
Yeah, spinners.
Wow, spinners for the super people. Whole heap of scallion and thing over your son go and wash down and clean them. Wow, look at that. Natural.
Legend. See this? Turn on the camera.
Oh.
So you damn thing are outspoken. You do your talent. You know what this?
Turmeric.
You know what this?
The turmeric is.
You know what is going on? You see they put on the curry.
Wow.
A murder.
Oh.
This when you put on the curry. Sell off.
Sell off.
Turmeric when you put on the curry. Sell off. That instrument I'm sorry so I have it, but that's how the thing go. I want to know. Hush
Yeah,
move.
for real. Flower time, people. Look at that. Flower time. Right now we are experiencing some nice spinners are going at the big fat soup pot over there, sir. And nothing normal. Can't wait to taste some of these people because we see it from scratch. We see it from scratch and all of the meat there, all of the pumpkin, we can see the yellow. We can see the yellow look in the soup pot. That's because of the pumpkin. You know that give the body and give the color at the same time. Everything I take time. Go down in our pot, little by little. And we're there. The whole experience there. And we're glad to share it with Uno. So remember, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Look what going on over there, so. Extreme cooking, West Kingston.
Yeah?
Leave me alone.
That you want more water
I
in
said
there?
no, leave me alone.
What is that answer?
No, not more. Down, man. That much.
Oh, another dumper flour for the pot there. Oh, yeah.
This is my boy. Mama, this is mama put in a curry goat. Yellow yam.
It's a yellow yam for the curry goat.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. All of this after the curry goat pot. Everything in this. Mix with the curry goat. And the pork pot.
And the pork pot.
Nice.
Just cut everything and you separate them.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Sweat him out there, sweat. Sweat. Yeah, man. Anybody.
Am I going to soup pot, mommy?
Yeah.
Sheer garlic. The soup pot. Wow.
Oh. Already.
This is the latest sports news on Hits 92 FM.
Same state. Shelly. We have a question. Switch them thing up on the bed. Story in a fire and matches.
Yes, man. Smell that, man? Oh my God, man. I know the season them not gonna need it. Wow.
I'm sure you hot water upon it. When you use hot water and cook them things, I'm more eat, more tender, more nice. You see, it's the art and the craft, maybe in a rush, you use the hot water. Fast, you throw it cold water, take the next 5 minutes to start boil. Right, you tune it up out. That's why you got out there, use the hot water for the fish and sit right up to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, quick and fast hot water, then pour it and go so 2 times, ready. Yeah, man, ready, man. Rice and peas, man. See? Yeah, man. See, the thing with the time when I show you in the bag, see, come right up.
Yeah,
see,
man.
put for time, skin them around the rice, you see?
Captain Craig Brathwaite and fast bowler Azari Joseph
And the pork this. And the pork this, I'm dropping the coconut milk in here. And the pork this, the coconut milk in here. He said, stay. Bring a dish, come. 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 Listen, I tell the brother, I put everything in a pot of water. It's slow.
The rest of the team comprises of Marley and
Bucket loads of foot.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Enjoy it, you know?
Let me get it.
I'm going to sound that deep, man. This is on the pork. And the pork actually.
This. All of them have pork and
curry goat.
Curry goat.
So I want to make sure.
Oh, so one of the main machine man for the curry goat, man, they know the pepper. After they get a spice there.
You see it?
Oh, natural
This
spice.
is
Sweet pepper
pepper.
there. Sweet pepper there, onion there, scallion, Irish.
Thyme there.
Thyme there, yam there, yellow yam for the curry pot. Oh, onion, everything nice, people. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful carrot, everything there. It's a vibe.
Man, when I give money when you want to call man.
Over here, so look like it's almost ready, but it's already, people. Look at that. Oh, more cola add to the soup for over here, so you don't know.
When I give call money.
Natural vibe, look at big pot of soup, big bag of cola. Wow. chicken foot and the chicken neck. That's a going another pot over here, so people look at this.
Sorry, sorry, man.
What do you other one?
A lot of cooking are going to the people. A lot of cooking are going to the hand. But they are take it in. Food non-stop, soup non-stop, curry goat, pork, everything there on the menu today. Fried chicken. Boy. Just see that just now. Vegetable over here, some season I cut up for go outside in the curry goat pot and the pork pot. Rice and peas out there go and bubble down. It's just a vibes and there the whole experience is a beautiful, beautiful vibes. Remember, when you can find this spot at when you don't know West Kingston today, West Kingston vibes, right at Coronation Market, and you don't know the vibes, right beside the police station. When you can't last, that spot can't last no time at all. When you can't last no time at all when you know the vibes. Straight food.
Right side of the bus park.
Right side of the bus park. When you know the vibes, man. It's a vibe, people. It's a vibe.
Yeah, this one, 1-2 more pepper.
Seasoning coming on, all beautiful, right? As some people look at this. Wow. Natural cooking up going out. That's a real authentic coal fire.
Mommy.
Big bungalow, scallion and time I wash up and go in a pot. You just see that just now. One just gone in there, so we have more in the bucket. Wash to go over there, so and more to go. Oh, the next one there. Oh, the next one there. Oh, whoa, 3 of them. Oh, 3 of them. We get constant views, people. But you don't know. 1, 2, 3. Big pot of soup you saw going on. More scallion gone in there. Look at that. More scallion and time I go in a pot.
I will not feel like that.
This is it.